Hello again. Just wanted to show you real quick if you have students on your waiting list and you would like to authorize them to be in your course. Here's some steps you can take to do that. So if you go to the BYUI page and you're logged in, under the Faculty tab, you'll see this screen with any of your sections here. And if you want to find your waiting list for that, just drop down to this menu and select waiting list. I don't have any, so there's not a real great example to show you here, but I'll walk you through the steps anyway. What you'd want to do at this point is take note of the name of the students that are on your waiting list, and then you'll jump over to the course authorization link here. Select the section that you want to add them to, and on the right hand side there's add new authorization. You'll type their information in. You can use their I number, their last name, first name, and search, and their information will come up. And at that point, you'll just follow additional instructions, and the reason that you'll be including them will be, I think, called capacity. So it allows them to add even though the class is at full capacity. I've usually found if you add one or two students, one or two students usually will end up dropping or withdrawing at some point. So it keeps you at that closer to that 30 number if you add some of those on your wait list. So hope that helps, and you can decide if you want to add those students from your wait list.